I'm going to show you how you can boot up or clean boot the Windows 10 using the USB. Alright, so if you guys didn't watch my previous video on how you can create a ISO and flash the bootable on USB, you can check it out. I will link down on the description. Also, you can click on the card right over there, and let's get started. First, make sure to plug in. Alright, just restart your computer and make sure to hit the boot key. In my case, it's F11. In your case, it should be similar if you are in laptop. If you are in desktop, then it should be on Del key. Sometimes it's on F10 or F11 once again. So yeah, just restart the computer. First, let's restart this computer. Let me spam the F11 and F12 key. I also need to press this Fn button because to access the functionality key, I need to press Fn button here. And you should see the boot manager. As you guys can see right here, this is my boot manager. So here we have a Windows boot manager as the SSD, which is 256 gigabyte. And we need to choose here EFI USB device, which is generic flash disk. If this doesn't work for you, you need to come down and use USB HDD generic flash disk. Okay, so this time I will go with EFI USB device and tap on enter. Now right here you will need to select next and simply install now. Just click on that. Now if you have a product key, you can type your product key here, and if you don't have, then simply click on this don't have product key. From here you will need to choose the edition, so I will go with Windows 10 Pro edition here and click on next, and I accept license terms and simply click on next. Now you will need to choose custom install only advanced. From here you will need to choose your SSD, alright, or the C drive. So as my computer, it only have the SSD itself, so every partition over here is single disk, so I can delete them. But if you are not sure, then you will need to go back to the Windows and try to look on what drive you are right in. Alright, so I'm going to delete all of this partition here to fresh clean install the Windows. So just delete this partition as well, and deleting this as well. And as you guys can see, when I keep on deleting, it's now unallocated the drive space, so deleting this as well. So also remember that once you guys delete this is not recoverable, so keep in mind that you guys have a backup, the last one here. So delete and simply hit the next, and Windows will automatically create everything for you. Alright, now it's going to restart the computer itself. You don't need to press on restart, it will restart itself, as you guys can see right here. In 3, 2, 1, go. And there you go, guys. Now you can eject your USB right now because you don't need it anymore. So I'm just going to unplug the USB. Alright, getting ready has been completed, and it is restart right now. Now there you go, we have just a moment. Just follow the procedure and you should be able to complete this. Now it's asking you to connect to network, so if you don't have network, then you just don't need to connect to internet anymore. So I'll just connect on I don't have network because I don't have network right now. And you can continue with limited setup. If you wanted to have this all features, then you can just connect now. Alright, but I don't want it to because I just want like limited setup. I just want minimal, so I'm just going to go with limited setup. And there you go, it's saying hi right now and things are getting ready for you. Well, there you go, guys. So we have completed the clean installation of Windows 10. So if you have internet right now, then just go ahead and click on yes, and I would I really recommend you guys to use internet right now, because this is a time that Windows 10 will use updates and all the stuff here. So if you wanted to do this manually, just press on Windows plus I key, and this will bring up the setting. Go ahead and click on update and security, and just check for update. You will have a lot of drivers and all the updates that's been going on, and you will need to install them. And at the back end, you can see that it's using network, and network is being used by service host and Windows update. As you guys can see, it's going on right now, but it's not showing right into the Windows update center. So yeah, we will wait for a moment. So as you guys can see that we have all of the updates available for the software like Microsoft Windows Defender, and a lot of stuff here, like some of the driver for your audio like Realtek and Conexense driver as well. So some of the driver, it won't work, and you will need to manually download from your laptop website or the motherboard website if you guys are using or installing on desktop. So you need to go to browser here like Edge browser. So complete setup and continue without sign in. So just go to Google and type in your laptop model number name. So mine is G50-70 Lenovo, and type here like drivers, just like that, and make sure to visit on the official website. Do not go to any kind of third-party website that might give you some virus shit. So you don't want to go there and end up getting some malware or any bad troubles, you know. So you just go to the website of your laptop and grab the driver from here. All right, so you can see this is my laptop, and it have driver software, everything here. So I can also do like scan now and automatic, and install all the driver automatic, but I don't recommend guys to automatically do this. Just select the drivers. If you are in Lenovo, this will be familiar for you, but if you guys are in Dell, there will be some kind of another UI interface, and you will need to navigate from there as well. UI and the layout should be same as far as you follow this tutorial. So here you can see the drivers for audio. It have 3 drivers, and I have also BIOS update and card reader, all the stuff here. So if somehow the Windows update didn't solve your or resolve your issue, you need to go and download a driver from here. All right, and you should be able to use your hardware and component easily without any kind of error. So this is it. This is how you should clean boot your laptop or computer. So thank you so much for watching. This is it, guys. This is how you should clean boot your Windows 10 on your laptop or desktop, and I hope this will help you out on cleaning up and booting up the Windows 10 on your laptop. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.